Ever wondered how to use question tags effectively in English? Let's dive right in. Question tags are those little additions at the end of a sentence that can turn a statement into a question. For example, you're studying for the exam, aren't you? Notice how the question tag, aren't you, changes the statement into a question. Here are some rules to keep in mind when using question tags. First, if the statement is positive, the question tag is negative, and vice versa. So, if the statement is she's working on a project, the question tag would be isn't she. Second, the auxiliary verb in the question tag should match the subject of the statement. For instance, they're having a meeting, aren't they? Third, the subject of the question tag is a pronoun, like you, she, or they. Question tags are a great way to seek confirmation or clarification in conversations. They can also be used to express surprise or disbelief. So, next time you want to engage in a conversation or check for understanding, remember to sprinkle in some question tags. Practice using them, and soon you'll master this subtle yet powerful tool in English grammar. Now, go ahead and try creating your own sentences with question tags to enhance your communication skills. Remember, practice makes perfect,